I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin sideways. However, we have a green weekly candle. It's about $100 move. This is pretty exciting compared to what we've seen for a while. Since, dude, this market right now will wear you out. Do not let this market get to you, right? We know the halving is coming. Bitcoin goes parabolic after the halving. The market cycle is going to play out. We're all going to make a ton of money, but we got to get there first, right? So having your mind set and staying in the game is the key, right? Keep showing up for these videos. I'll make sure and keep you up to speed on everything. The most important part is, why isn't Bitcoin catching any bids right now? Where are the buyers at? Like, there's nothing attractive about this level, right? So if you do get a pullback, like, the buyers will jump in. You just want this next low to be higher than the previous low, and it's bullish on a pullback. If you get a bounce first, I mean, you got 200 simple on the daily and the weekly above is overhead resistance. Like, you definitely don't want to go bearishly retest these guys. Right? A bearish retest, kiss of death, I call it, and you're looking for downside. The miracle move is to break 31,800. Hopefully you have a plan in place written down right in front of you right now that has all these ideas ready to go. Because when the market moves after this type of boring price action, you'll see an explosive move. Bitcoin 4-hour chart, again, this double top scenario. I got a bunch of news to cover with you guys, some pretty interesting news. And so the TA, obviously we went over multiple times, but I just want to make sure and drive it home with you. Key support is just that, key support. It has to hold, right? I've got some amazing shout outs to give to my trading group. You can go to cryptorev.net. If you want to join the spot group, you get 100 off 6 months, 200 off the year, actually 13 months. So we just nailed UNFI for 73% gains. And we also nailed LPT for 24% gains on a couple trades. 4 days after post, 17%, and then 10 days after post, 24%. Okay, so again, we're nailing the bangers in spot, have a very good win ratio right now. And then leverage trading group, which I really have the coupon still in the systems. I had to add it back for somebody today that was a longtime member of the group. And so those leverage 100 and leverage 200 work. And the bottom line is the market's just down. So I'm trying to make sure you guys make money. I can make sure you're in the right coins at the right time. And I can teach you everything you need to know and get you up to speed before the bull market. All you got to do, go to cryptorev.net, pick a package, sign up for the group. Just try it. I'm telling you. We have an amazing team, hard-working people that want to make sure you're successful. Banger after banger, leverage trading group, spot group. I mean, we're doing very well. Now, let's talk about the news. There are 7 spot Bitcoin ETFs coming up for review. 9.2 BlackRock Funds, 9.1 Bitwise, 9.2 Van Eck, 9.2 Wisdom Tree, 9.2 Invesco and Galaxy, right? They're all refiling. Valkyrie, 9.4, Fidelity, pretty big names. BlackRock, Fidelity, Van Eck. Global X is coming next month on the 7th. So again, just give us a Bitcoin spot ETF. Give us a reason for this market to bang. Russian billionaire. What do you feel about this? Russian billionaire is linked to the 5th largest Bitcoin wallet. United States, you know, they hate this. They're over there trying to freeze all the oligarchs, billionaires, yachts, and Bitcoin wallet full of Bitcoin. This is a chart that I saw posted somewhere. The idea is you've got on the monthly, you see the histogram down here? So when it starts to turn light, a peach color, that means the downside momentum is shrinking, right? So you've got, this is the 2017 bull market rally. I started buying $1,000 Bitcoin way back here. Ran up to 19,700. Then you had the bear market. Then the bottom fell out. But you notice right here, you flipped green on the histogram, which obviously the price action was months and months before, but you did have decreasing sell pressure, right? And then after the histogram flipped green, you saw this sideways price action, and then it really flipped green, strong green, and then obviously bull market, right? We got the Bitcoin halving coming in April next year. And the question is, will we see this slow, steady slide to the downside? And then life-changing money at the Bitcoin halving. This person was talking about this might be the yearly high. What do you guys think in the comments? I mean, do you think 31,000 is a yearly high for 2023? What do you think? Let me know. If you look at the Bitcoin monthly returns, this is August of 2023. You're down 11%. Typically, September is not a good month. Yeah, plus 6%, plus 2%. Everything else is negative. September has not been a good month for Bitcoin. October, boy, there's some big green, fat, juicy numbers going into the new year. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin moon mission. That's all I can think about. Just keep pushing. We'll get there. So September hasn't been amazing, but the bull market is coming. So keep your head in the game right now when it's a challenge, when Bitcoin's doing nothing. Patience of a turtle, people say, to be very successful trading this market. Shout out to Trip on this one. So this is his idea. Back in 2014, he measured 413 days as the swing high to the swing low. And then the next 413 days essentially falls here. And then 413 days after that, so these are his time cycles, and you broke the all-time high. 826 days later, you're breaking the all-time high. Now in this cycle, after the 2017 blow off top, bottom of the bear market, 364 days, right? You add another 364 days to it and another 364 days to it, and you're breaking all-time high. Or actually, when are we going to see Bitcoin break the all-time high of the previous close to 70,000, right? So based on this idea, time cycles, 378 days was the downtrend from the swing high to swing low. 378 days falls here. More importantly, 378 days from here, breaking the all-time high. That falls in December of 2024. You ready? Are you ready for above $70,000 Bitcoin? 378 days plus 378 days. So write this down. December 16th, 2024, Bitcoin ready to break $70,000. Let's go. I'm just ready. Who's ready? Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Life-changing money comes quick when this market goes parabolic, right? If you do come down and hit this lower trend line, it's been acting as support for an extended period of time, hit the trend line, it's a higher low. It's a higher low that's bullish, right? Give us Bitcoin having run up and then give us a breakout of all-time high. The writing's on the wall. We already know what's happening. It is going to be a life-changing money coming quickly when Bitcoin just takes off and melts faces. And then everybody else who is taking some time off from crypto will be moving back into the run-up, feeling like they missed it. The fact that you guys are just here paying attention to what the market's doing, you're already going to win. Most people gave up. Most people probably scared of crypto at this point. Hong Kong launches first crypto trading platform. It's called Hashkey. So again, this is the Chinese narrative starting to play out. Hong Kong, the first Bitcoin and crypto trading platform. The second one is going to be called OSL. They were granted approval along with hash key by the Securities and Futures Commission to enhance their licenses this month. So this expansion allows them to extend their services from catering solely to professional investors to including retail investors as well. Hong Kong, which what they do in China is they set everything up through Hong Kong and they run trading. China's jumping right back into the market. Let's go. Bitcoin. Robinhood is the third largest Bitcoin holder. They got $3 billion in Bitcoin. Now, obviously, Robinhood is holding these coins for, they hold custody of customer assets. But irregardless, centralized, but it's a ton of Bitcoin being held by Robinhood. You guys use Robinhood? Leave me a comment in the comment box. I'm just wondering if it's any good. Are you guys trading stocks? Any stock traders? I know I'm watching stocks more and more and thought about potentially covering some stock ideas. Pepe token heist. So this has been in the news for a while. We've been in group, we're talking about it. The former team members, they stole 15 million in tokens. The lead developer vows to rebuild and decentralize. So 16 trillion Pepe tokens worth $15 million were transferred to crypto exchanges and sold. Basically what they did is they changed the amount of votes needed on the multi-sig wallet to just 2. And then they moved the coins to OKX, Binance, KuCoin, Bitget, and sold them quickly. Not amazing. This market, gosh, I'm just thinking, like, how does mass adoption happen when these hacks and these, just like one after another, after another, after another? How mainstream adoption happens when space is a lot cleaned up. High risk, high reward, I told somebody today, and that's where we're at. However, obviously, there's been some hoops to jump through and some workarounds. MEXC exchange has been amazing. They've got 2,000 coins right off the dexes. The coins are, you get right off the dexes. So the small caps, you're going to get a bunch of 30x, 50x, 100x bangers off of MEXC. There's a VIP link right in the description. You can click that link, half price trading fees, and we've got $1,000 bonus giveaway for the top traders. There's 3 top traders who got signed up with the VIP link. Bang it. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.